Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Diabetes and Hormone Health. Myself Dr. Prem Narayanan, MBBS, MD, GM Endocrinology, Consultant Endocrinologist. My channel basically intends to spread the message of authentic and scientific information about diabetes and hormone health. The question for today is, are eggs good for diabetics and how many eggs can be consumed in a day? So eggs, as you all know, it has an outer shell, and the outer shell can vary from white, brown or blue or even green color depending on the breed of the egg, and it contains about 2 grams of calcium, but we do not usually consume the outer shell. Next, this outer shell has around 7,000 to 17,000 pores which allow oxygen, carbon dioxide and moisture to pass through. And you will know that the egg has an egg white and an egg yolk. The egg white or the white color, or the albumen, it contains protein, water and minerals. And the egg yolk or the center part, which varies from yellow to orange color, it contains about 1/3 of the egg weight, and it contains all the fat and about 50% of the egg proteins. Now coming to the nutrition facts of the egg, an average egg, the energy content is 70 kilocalories, and carbohydrates, you note a point, it is 0 grams. And proteins, an average egg contains about 5 to 6 grams of protein. Total fat around 5 grams, with saturated fat around 1.5 grams. And it also contains 185 milligrams of cholesterol. Then other minerals like the sodium, calcium, iron, potassium and vitamin D, you can see around 40 units per egg. Then the egg protein, one egg protein is equivalent to 30 grams of chicken or fish or any other meat. Then the effect on the blood glucose, we show that the carbohydrate content of egg is 0 grams. So the glycemic index is 0. That means there is no blood glucose spikes that will happen after taking an egg. So there will be no rise in the blood sugars when you consume the eggs. So it's a very important point. And for considering the heart health, eggs can help in to an extent control the blood pressure. Then it can lower the risk of heart attack and stroke. Studies are there. Then for the brain health, it contains choline. We all know that it is important for our memory and also the mood. Then for the eye health, the eggs contain antioxidants called lutein and other antioxidants which can help in reducing the cataract formation. And another important thing, so you all be asking, is that eggs contain a good amount of cholesterol. So is cholesterol bad for health? So recently there is a change in the concept of the cholesterol. Rather than the dietary cholesterol that we take, it is the intrinsic cholesterol, or the cholesterol that is produced in the body from the liver, that is most important regarding the cardiovascular risk. And the intrinsic cholesterol production can be increased by increasing the consumption of saturated fats and trans fats, which increases the intrinsic cholesterol, LDL cholesterol formation, and can thus way increase the risk of cardiovascular risk. So how many eggs can be consumed in a day? So there are always conflicting studies on this, how many eggs can be consumed. But if you take it separately, egg white, there are no specific limit apart from in patients suffering from chronic renal failure. And egg yolk, a consensus is that around 3 to 5 egg yolks per week, that is in a week 3 to 5 egg yolks can be considered to be as a safe limit. And how to consume? Yes, it can be consumed by boiling. Always boiled egg is very good. And apart from that, poaching, baking and even microwave can also be done. And if you're preparing like an omelette like preparation, always consider using lesser amount of oil, because these oils will add to the amount of the calories that we consume. So thank you for watching this video.